Welcome to DLSU-D Library Module, How to Search for Videos Using the OPAC. The OPAC, or the Online Public Access Catalog, is a database containing bibliographic records of all resources available from the library. It provides information such as title, author, edition, publisher, and year of publication. To access the OPAC, begin from the DLSU-D website. Locate the link to the library page from Campus Life. Once at the library web page, click the link to the OPAC. Let us enter Learn Public Speaking as our search term. Since the purpose of this tutorial is to search for videos, we have to narrow the search to videos from the material type. Then click on the title button. On the results list page, the number of results is displayed. An option to sort the list is provided. For this demonstration, we choose Date from the options and click Go. Notice that the results list changed from the latest publication year to the oldest. A printable version of the results list is available from the right side of the screen. The call number, sublocation, and the publication year are displayed under the title. Once the title of video is clicked, the detailed record is shown. The detailed record provides the subject's publication information and other additional information related to the video. You may check the number of copies available at the library from the Copies tab. The call number, barcode, status, description, and sublocation are found at this tab. You may jump to the next record or go back to the previous one by clicking the page selectors. In case you need help while conducting your search, click on the help links. That ends our module on how to search for videos using the OPAC. Subscribe to our YouTube channel DLSU-D Library to view other library instructional modules that guide you on our resources, services, and facilities. For more information, visit our website at www.dlsud.edu.ph/library.htm. You may also like our Facebook page DLSU-D Library and follow us on Twitter at DLSU-D. For more inquiries, you may contact us at the following channels. The Aclaitang Emilio Aguinaldo Information Resource Center is your partner in academic research.